Hi guys, this is Umarudit here, and this is the video presentation of our project that is for image processing. And we were three people in this group project. So this I'm going to give my presentation now. So these are the steps that we have done in our project. So that's all. I don't have enough time to go through them in detail, but I will go through the whole project now. And this is the resources which we have used in our project. So first of all, I'll start with the libraries which we have imported. These are predefined libraries which we have used in our project, and the main libraries are CV2 um and NumPy, and then we have Matplotlib. So there are two other ones as well. Sorry, one other which we have used in our project. So I'll start with the code now. So here in this very first one, you can see that I am these pictures I have saved in the folder, and from there I am reading them. So this one I have used this one as an template, and this one particularly it's OCRA font type template, which is used in embassies and in banks as well. So what's happening the next step is I'm masking this the very first template. Why I'm masking it? By masking it, I am isolating these values separately, which I'm going to use furthermore in my project. And once I have this, so uh, I'm using it's word cutters, and what's happening, it's just marking the edges of my here after masking. I'm using cutters, so it's just simply marking the edges and then isolating it. Here you can see the output. These are taken from the templates which I have provided up here. So this is there. So once I have it, those values isolated separately saved. Now these can be saved as an PNG file as well. So these are driven from the template which I have provided. Now I have the actual card image, so that's also saved in my folder. So I'm reading this picture now, and the very next thing I am doing is, which we've been doing it for quite long in our labs, it's I'm grayscaling this colorful picture, and here it's the converted picture. So once I have the grayscale this picture, so then what I'm doing here, it's I'm uh, thresholding picture. So what it means with thresholding, it's I have chosen a value, and whatever it's before that value will turn into white, and after that it's fully black. So here if you can see, it's grayscale, and once after this piece of code has run, so it's full white and black, there is no in between. So it's here. Now the next part I'm doing is I'm emphasizing on edges, and then I am doing is I'm blurring the image. And you'll say why I'm blurring the image. It's because by blurring the image it will increase the area, and it will be easier for me to quarter it and to take and to use it for my output. So here if you see into these two pictures, here I'm applying the square kernel, and how it works, it's kind of a matrix thing, and it changes based on its neighbor pixel. So if you see here, so the here in these two pictures, so the very next one, it's you can see these shapes, you can it's converting into uh, you can say more of a shape wise. In the first one it's not as these ones. After once we do quarter, you can't say it's which shape it is, but the next one, it's, you can say it's a rectangular one. And here I have because see, Carter will outline everything here, the first one as well. Like in the whole picture there are lots of white places which are to be Carter, but this is the condition which I have, or I have used to filter out the main uh, crop thing which is to needed for my output. So once I have this, I have separated that. Sorry for that. And lastly, what's happening here? It's the output I've got. It's correlation. Correlation. It's what it's happening between uh, the output, not the output. Sorry, the template which I have here. You can see this template, these images, and the things or the Carter which or crop values that are taken from the MasterCard. Here it's in this case. So here it's correlating, and this graphs you can see the how it's working. It's see, this is 2, and these are the values. Okay, 5412, let's suppose, and see here, so the actual value is 2, and if you see the graph, it's matching with all possible outcomes, like from 1 to 10, which I have separated in the first template. And see, this 2 has the highest amount of matching, so it's 2 now. And you can see 7512, and there you are. So, and in last it will just simply output the value. Sorry for the shortage of time, I wasn't able to briefly explain, but as you can see now I have the output. It's the same as of the numbers or digits mentioned on MasterCard.